Okay, guys, this is how you add the relative strength index to your MetaTrader 4 on your cell phone. Now, it may be a little different for the iPhone versus the Android, but you should be able to go into the menus and figure it out. But here you go, guys. First, you go to your MetaTrader 4. All right, when you first get in here, you're going to come over here and click on the very bottom where it has the ones that looks like a candlestick. That's going to be your chart. Or if you want to, you can click on the menu up here to the left and go to charts right there. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the charts. Next, you click on the little F at the top. All right. That brings up your functions or where you can add in your indicators. Then next, we're going to click the little plus next to the F up here where it says main chart. Hit that plus. All right. Then we're going to scroll down and look for relative strength index. Click on relative strength index. And what you want to do is select the parameters as you see on the screen. We're going to set a 5 for the period, apply to close. For the style, we're going to make it 4 pixels, which makes it really thick. And the color, you can make it to whichever color you like. I selected green because money is green, right? For the levels, click on the little pencil tool. And these are the only 3 levels you want to add. All right, we got the strong sell, the trend line, and the strong buy, which is the 90, 50, and the 10. If you need to add a level, if you don't have 3 of them, you need to add a level, hit the little plus button. As you can see, it added a level for me right here with a 0 in the description. All right, and all you would do is you would click on the 0, make that whatever number you want to make it. Let's say it's 10 and whatever description you want to put. ABC, whatever case may be. Now, if you want to delete one of those, if you have too many, you can click the little trash can on the top right. And then this comes up as an option. Then I will select the little check box next to the one I want to delete. Then I hit the trash can again, and as you see, it deletes it. So once we're done, guys, you just hit this little back button on the top left. All right, then when you get to this screen, once you're done with your levels, click on done on the top right. Once you hit done, as you can see at the bottom of my screen, I have my relative strength index, that's green, and I have my strong sell and my strong buy line that indicates overbought or oversold. Okay, guys.